Fakalaumalie a ho eiki mo lele ai Tonga kotoa pe o ku mome amai I he pongpongeni. Welcome to the first day of our Pukepuke Tonga challenge ko koe moao. Koe kawenga o etau ni, koe whakakoloa o Aotearoa aki ai ako lele. Enriching Aotearoa with holistic education. Our first task for Tongan Language Week focuses on our spiritual well-being. Ko etau mo'ui fakalaumalie. And as today is Sunday, we would like you to send through a video of yourself reading from the Bible, saying your favorite Bible verse, or singing a gospel song. For example,
Lautahitapu, read your Bible.
Grab your Tongan Bible, pick a chapter, and read it out to us.
Verse lau loto, learn a verse.
Sao me himataha, verse taha. Toia o kunofo I he toitoi anga o elio ni, o kumohe I he Mālō o sātai.
Hiva fakalotu, sing a gospel song.
Lau he toitapu, peke lotu ma o peke tupu, tupu, tupu. Once you've recorded yourself, remember to send it through to us on Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or email it to us if it's a longer video, with your first name only and the village you come from in Tonga. We hope you are all safe and well within your homes, and we can't wait to see your entries. Ofake mo ma'u hawike lea whakatonga whiawhia.
Pukepuke o Tonga, ko koe moa.